everyone! Today I will take everyone to go to the waterfall. Let's go! Now we are on our way to the waterfall. While we were traveling, I will say that I have seen the very beautiful nature. And then came to the waterfall. I would say that the whole atmosphere, the whole waterfall is very beautiful. In this hot weather, waterfall is another natural source that is very interesting to visit, which a lot of weather first are in addition to taking beautiful photos. We can also take a dip in the water to cool down and relieve stress. Surrounded by first we were laying in the pool, we were listening, watching, and enjoying the water together. The atmosphere of the waterfall is also relaxing. The sound of birds singing. It is a very beautiful waterfall plus clean water.